Hey everybody, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forestriver Hemisphere 25RBHL travel trailer. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this new cool coach. Alright guys, we're up inside this new camper, and as you can see here, kind of comparing it to the early version, we have some new features. This is the new Monterey Decor. It's a little different furniture color. They're currently using the Thomas Payne furniture still. And that's basically a theater seat with the little LED lights, cup holder thing there, a little storage in the middle. Booth dinette, storage underneath. You have new countertops, new linoleum floor, a little bit different shade of wood color also. So they've kind of gone to a lighter kind of grayish wood color. So this has also changed up for the mid-year model change. Now the theater seat faces the fireplace and TV area. Unit comes there with a 32-inch flat screen. There's room. You could probably change that out if you wanted to aftermarket, put maybe a 40 in there and throw that 32 up in the master bedroom or something if you wanted. DVD Jensen stereo system right there. Fireplace is basically just an electric space heater, but it looks pretty cool. There's a storage area right here, kind of back in behind the TV area there. So you got kind of a small, narrow closet, but it is pretty deep. So you got quite a bit of storage right there. The unit has the ever-chilled 12-volt refrigerator. This is becoming very popular in the RV industry now. It works off of battery power instead of propane or just electricity like a lot of the old versions did. So you got your freezer up top and the refrigerator down below. Adjustable shelves. But part of the reason for doing this is solar panels has become so popular now. A lot of people are doing solar either on the roof or putting the portable solar panels out. And if you are a boondock camper, you can put a solar panel out and pretty much camp for a long period of time just off solar, assuming the sun's out. The Furrion oven has a little pull-out drawer down below there, but the Furrion oven itself has the glass front, which is really nice. This is again becoming a pretty common feature now in newer RVs. Little backlit LED lights, glass stovetop, 3-burner glass cover there. Traditional microwave and hood range up top. There's a skylight up there, letting in some more natural light. TV antenna rotation handle up there. Pretty good amount of cabinet and storage space, along with counter space. The drawers are full extending ball bearing drawer guides. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of my videos on these new models as they come in. There's electric outlet and USB charger on both sides of the bed. Overhead cabinets up above. Hanging closet again on both sides. Room to get in here and walk around the bed area. Big sliding door to give you privacy. The air conditioning is also ducted, so you have little heat ducts. New ceiling panels and trim work on the ceiling as well. Both windows on each side of the bed there do open, giving you a little bit of breeze there. Large windows across the slide out there, and again, those windows do open. Also, be sure to check out Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. They'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. You have 4 drawers back here in the bathroom area. Closet back there. Traditional medicine cabinet, sink, below cabinet space, foot flush toilet, shower. Got the skylight above the shower and also a little fan back there. Window in the bathroom, that does open also. And the windows again are tinted, safety glass windows. That's a nice feature. There are some brands just doing clear glass, and you pretty much got to keep your blinds down. It kind of feels like you're in a fishbowl when they're in clear glass like that. Overall, great couples coach. And if you do bring a grandkid with you or something along those lines, if they're smaller kids, they could sleep on the dinette. Or you have plenty of floor space here to throw out an air mattress if you need to. But nice new unit. Again, new model change features here. So you're going to see this version produced for about another year, roughly. Be sure to check us out again. We're going to head on out to the outside now and let you see some of the new stuff out there along with features on the outside. All right, guys, we are now back out on the outside again here of this new Salem Hemisphere. And as you can see, they changed up the graphics a little bit. So a little different coloring on the front fiberglass cap. There is a LED light strip in the front section there. Two 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator. Also have the power tongue jack. One battery back there comes standard from Couch's RV Nation. That is an option for two batteries. If you wanted to do a second battery, be sure to talk to your salesperson about that. Scissor jacks on all four corners of the coach to stabilize it. Those are great. They're strong, heavy-duty jacks. Put you a little cordless drill on there, zip them down. A lot of the RV industry is going back to these jacks instead of the power jacks, in large part due to warranty issues and claims that we're having with the power jacks. People were over cranking them, using them too hard because they're just stabilizers, and we're burning out the motors in them. So a lot of brands have gone backwards to those. And there you can see aluminum frame construction on the bed framing and stuff there. It's aluminum framed fiberglass sidewalls and aluminum framed floor, but they do use wood in their roof, so that is a little bit of a difference there compared to some other brands. Some use wood in the roof and floor, and just in the sidewalls do aluminum framing. So kind of check all that out as you're looking around and comparing. You have magnetic holder there on the baggage door, power awning. I don't have it all the way out here, but got it out some just so you could kind of see what it looks like. Has the adjustable arms on there, so you can tilt it for water runoff. LED light strip built in across the top there. Outdoor speakers have a little blue backlight in them. Outside refrigerator here. That is a electric only refrigerator. TV hookups here, so you can take the TV off from inside and slide it on out here if you want to, or do a separate TV out here. Electric outlet cable hookup there, and also a little pet hook right there so you could leash up your dog. Wide track axle system, giving a little more stability when it's going down the road. Aluminum wheels. The solid step, which basically comes down, touches the ground, helps keep the camper from shaking when you're running in and out, and also holds more weight. Nice big entry door and screen door there. And another new feature is this larger grab handle going in and out of the coach that you can kind of see there. Comes out and down pretty far. It's kind of good for the little kids when they're running in and out. A lot of the traditional handles are up higher, and it's hard for a little child to reach them. So that's a little bit better version. There is also a gas line hookup down there, so if you wanted to do some sort of portable grill, that is located at the rear of the coach right there. Unit is pre-wired for a backup camera. Definitely recommend the observation camera. Talk with your dealer about that. Furrion has a really good one. Lets you drive down the road with it on, or use it when you're in a campground, kind of going in reverse mode. LED tail lights, little luggage rack on the back, folds down there. On the right side is your black tank flush city water hookups and all that stuff. And in the square black box there on the left is an outside utility shower with hot and cold water. 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. That is in the corner there. Your dump area also located down in the corner. Dump handles are kind of tucked up underneath of there some. Electric slide. You can somewhat see up top there, air conditioner in the middle. We optioned this one up to a 15,000 BTU air. Does come standard with a 13.5, but I would definitely recommend the 15,000. Another new thing they started doing is slide out bracket preps for toppers. So you can kind of see this little bracket thing up here. You'll start seeing that on the new mid-year model change versions. And those are brackets to allow for slide out awnings to be put on a little more easier by the dealerships. Going up over to this side, you can kind of see there is a separate tank slash dump up here. This one is for the kitchen sink. Because the bathroom and kitchen are so far apart, they have to have two separate dumps to make them flow out properly. Now you can buy a Y and tee them in together if you're permanent hookup, but if you're not permanent hookup, then it's real easy just to switch it back and forth. And in front of the axle, you can kind of see a little white line down there underneath that slide. That is your low point drain for the fresh water tank right there. Over here, there's a battery disconnect located up in here. You'll find your dry weight located down here. 6,320 pounds for this particular unit. Some basic information on the RV. Going to tell you your production date. This one was built 7/26 of 19. One of the first new mid-year model changes to come off. VIN numbers, axles, two 3,500 pound axles. ST 205 75 R15 D range tires. And your gross weight is 7,640 pounds. Your gross weight is your axle weight and your hitch weight combined. So that's the most you can load the camper up to, hitch weight and axle weight, before you risk damaging the camper. So again, guys, be sure to check us out, couchesrvnation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV.